Tomato is a graphical tool for building and exploring complex test models using an intuitive card-based interface. It lets us visualize parameters, choices, and constraints like pieces on a digital whiteboard, making model-based testing clearer, faster, and a lot more enjoyable without worrying about syntax or rigid structures. In this first tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to create a model and generate your first test suite. When you open Tomato for the very first time, you'll see a clean workspace containing an empty model with a default function. Click its name to change it. Let's call it Simple. This model will eventually describe an epic battle, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Keep in mind that a model can contain multiple functions, each with its own parameters, choices, and logic, but for this tutorial, we'll stick to just one. The main building block of every function is a parameter. To add one, click the Add Input Parameter button and type Hero. Then add a few more: foe, weapon, and location. You've probably noticed the red circles next to the parameter names. Those are error icons. To see more details, hover your mouse over them. In this case, our parameters don't have any choices yet, which is perfectly normal at this stage of the design process. We'll fix that in a moment. Yellow circles indicate indirect errors, meaning the node itself is correct, but it contains children that are not. In our case, those are the empty parameters. Let's fix that by adding some choices. Click the Add Choice icon under a parameter. Type a name and press Enter to add another. When you're finished, press Escape or click anywhere outside the parameter. And remember, you don't have to come up with names yourself. The AI assistant can suggest them for you. Just add a new node and wait a couple of seconds for the suggestion to appear. A quick tip: you can rearrange nodes freely using drag and drop. And if you make a mistake, don't worry. Just open the History panel and roll back to any previous state. Great, our simple model is ready. To generate a test suite, click the Generate Tests button. You'll see several generation options here, but for now, we'll stick with the defaults. By default, Tomato uses N-wise generation, which covers every pair of values. Click Generate and let's see what we get. And here we are. You can browse through all generated test cases, inspect the raw data, and download everything as a CSV file. And that wraps up this short introductory tutorial. Remember, this is just the beginning. Tomato has many more powerful features waiting for you. So feel free to explore the other tutorials, or check out the documentation to go deeper.